Is it actually possible to target the United States on TikTok from other countries? Well, yes it is, and I did it. And in this video, I'll show you 3 different methods you can use, as well as a step-by-step guide to how I did it. And also, you should stick around to the end because I'll show you a very important step when it comes to dropshipping to the United States. So let's get started. So I've spent a ton of time researching how to actually do this, and let me show you the 3 methods I found and which one of them I tested. Method 1. The first method I looked into was getting an eSIM instead of getting a physical US SIM card, since I heard that it would have the same effect, because then I didn't need shipping and switching between my normal SIM card and the US SIM card. But when I went to order, I realized that I couldn't get an eSIM because I have an iPhone X.
You are a brokey. You're f***ing broke.
Method 2. So I needed to get a physical SIM card instead, even though it was a bit complicated, but it worked. And this is a screenshot from my analytics before the US SIM card. I got 34% viewers from Denmark, which is where I live, 34% from Sweden, 17% from Norway, and then 9% from Finland and 6% from Iceland. This is because TikTok usually targets your country and the closest countries around you, so it makes pretty good sense that when I'm posting from Denmark, that I get exposure to these countries as well. And this other posted the exact same, except I somehow got 10% from South Korea. But after implementing this strategy, I got 99% viewers from United States and 1% from Mexico. So you can definitely say that this strategy works. And also, this is the same account, so if you already have an account, you don't have to create a new account to target the US. So here it is, the step-by-step guide to targeting the US on TikTok. So the first thing I did was go to Amazon and order a US SIM card, and if you live in Europe, you can use Amazon.de, which is the German Amazon, because then you don't have to pay a lot for shipping, wait like 2 weeks, or pay import tax. I'll have a link in the description to the exact SIM card I bought. Now it is $28 and only worked for a month, but I saw in the comments that you could actually extend it as long as you want. So I went on to LycaMobile's website and clicked Quick Recharge. Then I added my US number. I tried picking the $10 plan, but you could only get 12 months. But on the $19 plan, you could get only 1 month. So I picked the $19 plan and clicked Continue. Then I found out that you can get auto renewal, so you don't have to order a new SIM card every single month. So after I received the SIM card, it all started. I removed my regular SIM card from my phone. Then I deleted both TikTok and NordVPN, which is the VPN I use. Then I changed my phone's language to English. Then I went into location settings and turned off all locations. Then I activated the SIM card on this website. Then I inserted the SIM into my phone and waited for it to become active. When the SIM card got active, which took about 30 minutes, I went to the App Store and downloaded NordVPN, which, by the way, is $12 a month. Then I connected to United States, went back to the App Store and downloaded TikTok. Then the first time, I made a new account, but since I didn't warm up the account properly, I instantly got shadow banned, which resulted in a total of 9 views on the first 4 videos. And since you need at least 100 views on a video to see the demographic in the analytics, it was basically useless. Then I decided to try posting on my old multi-bottle account, since that account had existed for about a month. Then I started posting on my multi-bottle account, and after some time the demographic analytics became available. We now had a video with 99% viewers from the United States. Another thing I actually noticed by changing to a US SIM card is that I unlocked the feature to change the text-to-speech voices. Usually, I use this website to generate the common TikTok voices, but 2 of them actually appeared.
I got the text-to-speech option.
And I also got access to some different effects and emotions. Well, let's just say some are better than others. But there are still more voices on this website that aren't available on the TikTok app. Method 3. Now this last method seems to be the easiest way to target United States. You don't need a SIM card or a VPN. This means there aren't really any expenses with this method. With this strategy, you get someone in the United States to make a TikTok account for you and then send you the details. This should work since TikTok should be targeting the country where the account is made and not where the account currently is. Sadly, I didn't have enough time to test this method, so I'm not 100% sure it works, but feel free to test it out yourself. And if you don't have a friend in the US, you could probably pay someone like $10 to make the account for you. All this stuff with SIM card, VPN, and generally dropshipping can all be a bit confusing, so if you have any questions, feel free to join my Discord server. We just hit 2,000 members and growing super fast. There are a lot of different resources as well as a complete guide for paid TikTok ads. There are also gonna be guides for TikTok organic, Facebook ads, and Google ads in the future. We also host AMAs sometimes where you can ask all the questions you want to. In fact, there's gonna be an AMA on Thursday where I'll review all your stores and answer all your dropshipping questions. And by the way, it's all free. So join the server, there's a link in the description. But as you can see from this video, it is possible to target the US from another country with the SIM card and VPN method. And since you're watching this, you probably want to be dropshipping to the US. So let me tell you the best way to do so. CJdropshipping. I've partnered with CJdropshipping since they offer 4 to 9 days shipping on some products, and their regular shipping time is 7 to 15 days. And I've been getting a lot of questions since my last video on how to connect your store, add products, and fulfill orders, so I'm gonna go over that in this video. So you go to CJdropshipping, there's a link in the description, and sign up. Then you go to My CJ, then go down to Store Authorization and click Shopify. Then click Add Store. Then you basically just follow this and set up the app. Then you go back to CJ and search for your product. Let's just use the heated jacket that's been doing really well. This store that's selling it has done $500,000 in revenue in the last 24 hours. This software is called Shop Hunter, by the way. Then let's pick this variant and just a medium. Then you can see the product price and then go to the shipping options. So on this product, you have the regular 7 to 15 days shipping. But you can actually get 4 to 9 days shipping on this product, so that's really fast compared to the shipping time on AliExpress with this product. Then you want to click list. Then because this product has more than 99 variants, we need to click edit before listing. Then pick which variants you want to import and edit the price. You can always edit it in Shopify. Add your store, and this information doesn't really matter. Then you can just go into Shopify and edit the variants, price, pictures, and everything in there. Then when you get an order, you go into CJdropshipping and click My CJ, then Orders and Important Orders. Then click Sync Store Orders. And here all your orders will show. Then you mark your orders and click Select and select the shipping option you want. Then you're gonna add to cart and pay for your orders. Then CJ will take care of the rest, such as updating the tracking number and sending it to the customer when it's available. That's how easy CJdropshipping is. Now if you got any value out of this video, feel free to like, it would help me a lot. Also, remember to subscribe, we're almost at 10,000 subscribers, so thank you all so much. And remember to sign up for the AMA on Thursday at 2 p.m. EST. By the way, this video shows how I do my product research, you might find some value there.